Ana Louise. Wow, it's been so long.
Flavio, what a coincidence running into you here.
8 years, right? Feels longer.
It really does. How are you?
I'm good. Working, living, and you?
Same. I came to visit Brazil before heading back.
Back where?
Oslo. I've been living there for about 5 years now.
Oslo. Wow. What's it like there?
It's beautiful. Cold. Very different from here.
Makes sense. Copacabana must feel like a shock.
A little, but I missed all of this.
The energy here is hard to replace.
It is. Oslo has the calm, but it lacks this noise.
Did you adapt well there?
It was hard at first, but now it's fine.
I can imagine. Language, climate, everything different.
Exactly. But I learned Norwegian. It took a while.
Norwegian? Seriously? That's really tough.
Yeah, it wasn't easy.
How much longer are you here?
2 days, then a direct flight to Oslo.
Want to explore Rio these 2 days?
That would be nice. Where were you thinking?
Sugarloaf tomorrow morning, then Ipanema.
Sugarloaf? I've actually never been.
Really? With everything you lived here?
We never visit the places in our own city.
True. I've barely been myself.
All right then, let's go tomorrow.
It's strange thing you hear after all this time.
It is, but it's a good kind of strange, you know?
I do. Like time hasn't passed at all.
A little, but we've changed a lot too.
For sure. But some things stay the same.
Like what, for example?
I don't know. This ease of talking to you.
That's true. It feels effortless.
It always was.
No, it really always was.
Remember when we used to go to Lapa every Friday?
Every single Friday, without fail. What a time that was.
We'd stay up talking until morning.
And drinking that terrible draft beer from Zez Bar.
Awful, but we went back every week.
It wasn't for the beer, it was for the company.
Absolutely. Those conversations were so good.
We talked about everything. Plans, dreams, nonsense.
A lot of nonsense, too, if I remember right.
A lot, but it was nice that way.
This sunset here is always so beautiful.
This sunset here is always so beautiful.
Oslo has the northern lights, but this is different.
Have you seen the aurora up close?
Yes, once I went up north to see it. It's surreal.
That must be incredible. I've never really left Brazil.
You should go. Oslo is a great first trip.
Maybe someday.
It'd be nice to show you the city.
That would be nice.
What do you do in Oslo?
I work with design at a small agency.
Makes sense. You always loved that.
Yeah, I finally turned a passion into a career.
I'm in Cabo Frio. I work in tourism.
Tourism how? Agency, boats?
Boat tours, diving, that kind of regional thing.
What a good life. Sun, sea, working outdoors?
Yeah, it could be worse.
It really could.
Cabo Frio's changed a lot over the years.
Changed how? Did it grow a lot?
It did. More tourists, more construction, more movement.
That must have changed the feel of the town.
A little, but the sea is still the same.
The sea always stays the same.
You never went there, right?
No, we always talked about going, but never did.
One more place on the list then.
The list keeps growing.
You disappeared out of nowhere back then, you know?
I know, I left too fast.
I'm not complaining, just remembering.
It was a complicated time for me.
I understood at the time. I just missed you.
I missed you too, but I didn't know how to come back.
And then the walkway sorted it out on its own.
Yeah, the walkway sorted it out.
Sometimes things happen at the right time.
I think so.
Have you eaten anything today?
Just a coffee early on. I'm actually hungry.
There's a place nearby that's really good.
Sure, what do they serve?
Seafood, fresh fish, simple but good.
That's exactly what I wanted.
In Oslo, you must miss that, right?
A lot. The fish there isn't the same.
Then enjoy it while you're here.
Don't worry, I'm going to enjoy everything.
So, was it worth coming here?
Very much. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful.
Rio from above is something else.
You can see the whole city. It's enormous.
You've been photographing a lot on your phone.
I have to. No one will believe I came here.
Put me in a photo for proof.
All right, come here.
Did it come out well?
It did. Really well, actually.
Which was better, the first cable car or the second?
The second, when you actually see Rio.
That's where everything opens up. The bay, the Christ, all of it together.
I stood in silence up there for a long time.
I noticed. You kept looking at the horizon.
I was thinking about how long I'd been away.
But you came back. That's what matters.
Yeah, at least for one more day.
Let's make the most of today then.
Let's.
Walking, Ipanema is calm today. I like it.
It's the most beautiful beach I remember from here.
There's something different about it. Quieter.
Tomorrow morning I'm leaving. It feels too fast.
2 days goes quickly when it's good.
It really does. It flew by.
But it was good, right?
It was really good. Better than I expected.
For me too.
I'm glad we ran into each other.
Slow. Do you miss Brazil often?
A lot. More than I expected to.
What do you miss the most?
The lightness, the people, the food, of course.
Food always makes the list.
Always. But it's more than that, too.
We miss feeling at home.
Exactly. Oslo is my home, but so is here.
You can have 2 homes.
You can. It's just that both of them miss each other.
What do you want to do tonight?
Nothing much. Just stay around here.
We can sit on the sand over there for a while.
Good idea. Just watch the sea for a bit.
Sometimes that's all you need.
Yeah, sometimes the silence is enough.
But we never stay silent for long.
True. We always have something to talk about.
Always have, since Lapa.
Since Lapa.
Slow. Are we keeping in touch this time?
Yes, no disappearing again.
I won't disappear either. You can hold me to that.
I will. Count on it.
If I go to Oslo, will you show me the city?
Of course. I'll show you everything. Cold and all.
The cold I'm going to need help dealing with.
I'll lend you a coat. Don't worry.
Then it's settled.
Settled.
The sea at night has something different about it.
It's more serious, heavier somehow.
But also calmer, fewer people around.
Do you come here at night often?
Sometimes, when I need to clear my head.
Makes sense. The sea does that.
In Cabo Frio, I do this almost every day.
What a quiet kind of luxury that is.
Yeah, sometimes we don't realize what we have.
We never do.
Slow. Will we talk after you get there?
Of course. Message me whenever you want.
I will. Count on it.
I'll be waiting then.
And Oslo? Maybe one day I'll show up there.
The door is open, truly.
Thank you for these 2 days.
Thank you. It was wonderful.
Safe travels, Ana Luis.
Until soon, Flavio. Soon.